where the author says, عن عائشة رضي الله عنها أن رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم بعث رجلا على سرية فكان يقرأ في صلاتهم فيختم بقل هو الله أحد فلما رجعوا ذكروا ذلك لرسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم فقال سألوه لأي شيء يصنع ذلك فسألوه فقال لأنها صفة الرحمن فأنا أحب أن أقرأ بها فقال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم أخبروه أن الله تعالى يحبه.
No.
Oh, there's a difference. And Aisha radiallahu anha, this hadith was reported on the authority of Aisha, may Allah Ta'ala be pleased with her. أن رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم بعث رجلا على سريته. That the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam sent a man to lead an expedition. فَكَانَ يَقْرَأُ فِي صَلَاتِهِ, and he used to read, he used to recite in their prayer. فَيَحْكِمُ, and he concludes بِقُلْ هُوَ اللَّهُ أَحَدٌ, with قُلْ هُوَ اللَّهُ أَحَدٌ. In every rak'ah, after reciting Fatiha and reciting the surah, he concludes with قُلْ هُوَ اللَّهُ أَحَدٌ. فَلَمَّا رَجَعُوا, and when they went back to Medina, ذَكَرُوا ذَلِكَ لِرَسُولِ اللَّهِ صَلَّى اللَّهُ عَلَيْهِ وسلم. They mentioned this to the Prophet Muhammad صلى الله عليه وسلم. فَقَالَ, and the Prophet Muhammad صلى الله عليه وآله وسلم said, سَألُوهُ, ask him, لِأَيِّ شَيْءٍ يَصْنَعُ ذَلِكَ, why was he doing that? Why was it that every time he recites, he concludes with قُلْ هُوَ اللَّهُ أَحَدٌ. فَسَأَلُوهُ, and the companions went to ask him. فَقَالَ, and he said, لِأَنَّهَا, it is because that surah, Sifatul Rahman, is the attribute of Allah. فَأَنَا أُحِبُّ أَنْ أَقْرَأَ بِهَا. So because of that, I love to recite with it. وَقَالَ رَسُولُ اللَّهِ صَلَّى اللَّهُ عَلَيْهِ وسلم, and the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, إِخْبِرُوهُ, inform him, أَنَّ اللَّهَ تَعَالَى يُحِبُّهُ, that Allah Ta'ala loves him. Since he loves the attribute of Allah, Allah Ta'ala also loves him. Al-jaza'u min jinsil amal. The hadith is understood. Now, this hadith of Aisha informs us or tells us that the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam sent a Sariya. And this Sariya are a battalion that the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam sends on a war expedition, that he does not follow them. So in this regard, the Prophet Muhammad doesn't follow them. So he sends a battalion on a war expedition and he himself does not go. That is what they call as-Sariya. And when they were going, the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam made a man among the companions to be their leader. Because the Prophet Muhammad has taught us that even if two people were to be traveling, there should be a leader among them. And naturally, in Islam, the leader is the one that also leads the prayer. Right? So since he was the leader of the expedition, Whenever it was time for prayer, he is the one that leads the prayer. So whenever he recites the Quran, he recites Fatiha, he recites a surah, and he concludes that rak'ah by reciting Qul huwa Allahu ahad. In fact, in a longer narration, the companions told him that he should stop reciting 2 surahs every time in the rak'ah. And he said that is what he wants to do. If they so want, they could leave him to believe in them.